Correct, Bola? I just had Jeet and Honorable Sports Minister just teaching me Konkani on the side, so I have to thank them for this. So if I make any mistakes, you can blame them. Just like how the Honorable Tourism Minister said, you know, I have played a politician on screen. I don't know if any of you have seen it, my show Maharani, but I don't think as actors, any of the characters, whenever we get politicians, I don't think they're half as cool as these gentlemen standing over here. I've never seen politicians look like this, have you? But no, really, it's really incredible that this beautiful festival, and I'm here and I had a chance to really experience this, is because of the hard work of all these people standing over here. So thank you, gentlemen, for inviting me. This is really an honor, and I hope that you keep calling me again and again, because you know I'm a Delhi girl. My mom is Kashmiri, but my heart and my spirit is from Goa. And whenever I come here, you know, it really feels like home. So I would love to be part of this lovely historic festival. Today is the closing night, and I wish you all have lots of fun, enjoy, party, be safe.
आणि सगळ्यांची संबंध गोयच्या लोकांची अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कमी जावपाक ह्या उद्देशान तुमचे आमदार फुडें सांगल्यात एका तुमची आणि सरकाराक तुमची साथ जाय इतकें सांगून हांव अनेकदां टुरिजम मिनिस्टर आनी आमदार जी धारोडकराचे अभिनंदन करता.
टुरिजम मिनिस्टरान जेन्ना अनाउन्स केले नेक्स्ट इयर हांगा म्हणजे आमचो हे वर्सा सक्सेस जाल्लो फुडल्या वर्सा मेगा इव्हेंट आसतलो.